ए रावण इधर आ।
Get over me, man.
What do you want me to do? I said sorry.
قوم نادي عالصعيدي وبنقوك البورسعيدي والشباب الاسكندراني اللمة دي لمة رجال وانا هاجي مع السوهاجي
حبيبي.
I got a present from Africa.
Bogini Chong, Liu.
Hi sir, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Welcome to India. So I have a really small question for you. I just want to know that you've gathered all these people over here for a peace summit, but do you know that you are the one who has been initiating wars amongst these countries?
No, today I'm only going to talk about peace. No war, only peace. No
I
more
do
questions,
understand that
please.
sir,
No
but I
more
have very
questions.
few questions. Sir, you can't stop me. I have few questions.
सर आप रुकिए क्यों एक मिनट साइड होइए
अरे लाहौल बेलागलुवत, ये क्या जहालत है? हम लाइन में पहले खड़े थे।
लाइन आप ही के लिए बनाई गई है सर, वो तो वीआईपी है। आपका नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है।
नाम नहीं माने की बोलता सर खोरिया हन
आपका नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है, आप अंदर नहीं जा सकती।
Excuse me sir, what would you like to have?
你想亚洲选美？
अरे इनका तो फिक्स है, हक्का नूडल्स दो काड़ी के साथ। क्यों भाईजान?
शिनचान तो बुरा मान गया भाई।
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for turning up at such short notice. I welcome you all to the Peace Summit of United Nations. Please give it up for this little guy. So today what we're going to talk about is... How are you, kid?
कुछ पुराना हिसाब चुकता करने आया हूँ।
बलूचिस्तान, तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? और ये क्या पहना है? चला इधर बैठ।
तो जहाँ बैठना होगा वो वहीं बैठेगा।
बलूचिस्तान को बरसों से मैंने संभाला है।
तुमसे एक कंदील बलद संभालने नहीं गई, पूरा बलूचिस्तान क्या संभालोगे?
क्या बकवास कर रहे हो?
All right, gentlemen, calm down. No war, only peace.
जैसा आप कहें जनाब।
All right, now everyone. Peace. It's a very heavy word. Imagine a peaceful world where every country is striving to make the world a better place. No wars, no weapons.
Yalla, you're pointing a gun at me.
No. No. It's just a demo piece. I got it to show it to you. It's okay. Let's keep our weapons inside. Alright. I've got a confession to make here. We invaded Afghanistan in 2001. And we've been screwing your happiness for the past 16 years. Even though we didn't find it necessary. But lately, rather this morning, I realized that war is not going to take us anywhere. So I give this opportunity to you to speak your heart out. And I'm really sorry.
Why say sorry? It's like you screw me in the night and cook me breakfast in the morning. No one ever bothered to take care of me. Anyways, the true meaning of peace is explained to me by my brother India. I'd like to thank you for the parliament you made for us.
Well, I must say that was a great speech, Afghanistan.
People! I have something to say. That UNESCO has declared the India's national anthem as the best national anthem of the world.
What? We never did that.
अरे हमको तो लगा था कि जनाब गूंगे हैं।
You want to say something?
Yes. For 800 years, we've been promoting peace all over the world.
UK, can you quickly check in your Oxford dictionary? What's the meaning of colonization?
What might that mean?
No, you listen to me. You've been discriminating us all our lives. Be it education, entertainment, porn, even sports.
Sports, God swallow. Most of our soccer players are black.
That's because they've been running all their lives. Hashtag Black Lives Matters. Hashtag Obama.
What the fuck is going on here?
अरे आप हाथ नीचे रखिए जनाब। आपको यहाँ इसलिए बुलाया है क्योंकि जैकलिन फर्नांडिस श्रीलंका से तशरीफ लाती हैं।
जनाब आप क्या हंस रहे हैं? आपको भी यहाँ कोक स्टूडियो की वजह से बुलाया गया है।
My turn. If we are discussing about peace, I have 2 pieces. Habibi, that was a joke.
Oh my God, Majesty, you're so funny.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. China would like to share his thoughts on peace.
Yundu Fuza Yinchi. Duizangaudi Pumian Yinchi.
India is responsible for stirring up negative sentiments against China and has not yet learned to see the potential relations between the two nations.
Yundu Meow Sue Kandao Yu. Jian Shijing. Sue Reshung Bian Guaxi. Jian Jinli.
There has been no constructive mindset from India towards strengthening the bilateral ties.
Yushi Tongxi. The Fang Zenzei ZZD. The Dongliang. Guzazi. Zizi.
Meanwhile, the West is taking a delight in driving a wedge between both the nations.
What have you contributed to the world? You have a history of stealing data maliciously. You are just a bunch of hackers and copycats. Yes, you are the heaven of plagiarism. Oh, what phone is that? The new Chai phone? And your brain is as tiny as your d.
Wallah.
China.
Enough! बोले ही जा रहा है। You have spoken your part. You are the one. You are the one who violates international treaties and then illegally enter into other countries' borders. And not just this, you support international terrorists and beg and plead the United Nations to revoke the ban on them. And you sit here and talk about peace? और तू जो इसके दम पे फुदक रहा है, एक चीज याद रख, हमारी लड़ाई किसी मुल्क से नहीं बल्कि आतंकवाद से है। और अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो उनको हम कहीं भी घुस के मारेंगे।
Alright guys, we're here to discuss about global peace and not to cry over your personal problems.
Ladies and gentlemen, North Korea has declared a war against United States.
Assemble the Avengers.
Habibi, peace is off, but the party is still on. Let's party.
भाईजान, आप तो बहुत गुस्से वाले निकले। आइए ट्रूथ एंड डेयर खेलते हैं।
साले तूने कभी ट्रूथ बोला है?
আরে শোনেন, আমি বাংলাদেশের অনেক উন্নতি করছি। এই মিটিং এ এসে সমস্ত দুনিয়ার কিভাবে উন্নতি করব এই ডিসকাস করতেই তো এসেছি। শুনছেন আপনি? ও বাবু,
पागल है क्या रे औरत?